MineARC is launching its new service app, exclusive to all MineARC clients. MineARC's new service app is a custom-designed and tailored solution to the servicing, commissioning and auditing requirements of your Refuge chamber fleet. You can manage your chamber and site details within the app, ensuring that your fleet is serviced on time and in the correct manner. When a chamber is due for servicing, the MineARC service app makes the process simple and easy. Just select the chamber you wish to service and answer each question. You can even upload photos to aid in troubleshooting. Once a service is completed, an after-service report and service summary are generated. The service summary provides a concise record of any critical failures within the Refuge chamber, as well as expiry dates for all consumables. Servicing can be undertaken while offline, an implicit requirement of underground work. Data will automatically upload once a network is found. The comprehensive document library means that on-site troubleshooting is smoother than ever. The app contains FAQs, manuals, and technical guides, with all documents available in PDF format and in offline mode. The MineARC service app offers clients the ability to streamline their Refuge chamber maintenance with features including offline servicing for underground operations, ensuring timeliness and quality of servicing, view historical after-service reports and summaries, troubleshooting guides at your fingertips, accessible via any mobile or tablet. For more information on the service app and how we can offer it to your team, get in touch with us today.